AIDA Format is a science-based sales copy generator formula that can deliver astounding results. Our AIDA copy generator saves you time, effort, and money involved in AIDA copywriting. I am here to assist you in using WriteMe.ai. Today I am going to share how you can use WriteMe.ai to write high-converting sales copies in AIDA format in few easy steps. As you know, first you have to select your desired language, your tone of voice, and your preferred use case. Then, input some relevant information for AIDA sales copy generator. Input ideas such as keywords, phrases, main context, titles, and goal of writing. Finally, simply click Write Me. That's it, your awesome AIDA writing is ready to bring sales. Write unlimited AIDA writer suggestions with no extra cost. Engage your audience better and faster at only a fraction of the cost. Incorporate the science-backed AIDA copywriting framework to create copy that converts well. With the new improved user interface on web application and mobile application, it is now much easier and convenient to use WriteMe.ai. I hope that we are providing you with the complete details on how to use WriteMe.ai Creator to generate meaningful content for you. If not, please tell us in the comments section. Thanks. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye.